Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Jaguar XE. So that's the home screen there. You've got media, climate, phone and navigation. If I click on navigation, that's bringing the map up. What I need to do now, you see here the 6 boxes. If I click on there, where to, map view, favourites, information, emergency, where to. Click on where to. Enter postcode, you've got address, enter postcode, recent, points of address and go home. Enter postcode, that's the easiest. We want to go to Grosvenor Garage. Everybody wants to go to Grosvenor Garage on Blackburn Road at High Walton, Preston. And the postcode is PR, I've forgotten the postcode, 5 4 EA. Nearly put my home postcode in there. So PR54EA, nothing, it's just showing the postcode that you've just typed in. Now you have to click on it. It goes green. It's loading.
The route is being calculated.
That's what you want. You've just got yes there. Some systems will say OK or start, but we'll click yes. And then
please turn right in 300 yards onto Sharp Lane. Then turn left.
That's it. That's all you have to do. To knock it off, we click the boxes again, and you've got stop guidance there. Stop guidance. That's it done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.